All right, you curious little lab rats. Here are 5 goddamn fun science facts that will blow your tiny brains. Ready? First, did you know your gut is basically a bacterial metropolis? Your intestines host trillions of microbes that outnumber your human cells by like what the fuck, a factor of 1 to 3. Those little assholes help digest food, make vitamins, and even mess with your mood through the gut-brain axis. How much control do we actually have over our feelings if our guts are running half our brain chemistry? Second, jellyfish. Those gelatinous floaty mofos can be biologically immortal in some species. Turritopsis dohrnii can revert its cells back to an earlier life stage and start over. What does aging even mean if an organism can hit the reset button? Are our bodies on a permanent timer, or could we someday hack immortality like a sea blob? Third, your bones are not static chalky sticks. They're living goddamn recycling machines. Bone tissue is constantly broken down and rebuilt. Osteoclasts tear shit up and osteoblasts lay it down. Even a hip replacement has to play nice with that remodeling. So why do we treat bones like fragile antiques instead of dynamic scaffolding that's always shifting? Fourth, plants fucking talk. Not with words, obviously, but through chemicals and root networks and even fungal internet. Mycorrhizal networks connect trees and share nutrients, warnings, and maybe gossip. If a tree gets chewed by bugs, neighbors ramp up defenses. What does intelligence look like if it's distributed across a forest floor rather than inside a single skull? Fifth, your immune system remembers encounters like a pissed-off bouncer. Vaccines train those memory cells so they recognize pathogens fast. We've learned to harness that memory to protect millions. But how precise should we be in editing immune memory? Do we risk unintended consequences tinkering with evolution's security system?